Baby feedbacks.
Dude, what an amazing day! Sun is shining, waves crashing, seagulls singing, and babies on the beach making sandcastles. Hey Andy, wanna come build with us? Oh, hey Anne, Raffy. Yeah, I'd love to. Where's Carly? Oh, she's scared of the water. She won't come down and build with us, so she's over there building by herself. She should come play with us. Scared? I'm not scared. I'm just being careful. My sandcastle won't get washed away. Do, building my awesome sandcastle. Do. This is gonna be great, dude. Wow, Andy's really going all out with this one. Hey, dudes, check it out. Whoa. Dudes, I'm the king of the castle. Yeah, my sandcastle is the best. This is the best sandcastle ever, dudes. Totally. Oh, thank you very much. Yes. Wait. What's that, dude? Oh no. Oh dear. No. Carly, did you see that? I guess you weren't being scared after all. You were being smart. Yeah. Guys. Hey. Hi, Andy. I'm sorry about your masterpiece, but you can join me. You let us play with you? Of course, you guys. We're sorry about teasing you, Carly. Looks like you were smarter than all of us. We can work together to make something even more awesome. Yeah, I think so, dudes, yeah. Team effort is the best sort of effort. Together we'll make the best sandcastle anybody's ever seen. Yeah!